Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Precious, and if you are new here, you are welcome. So in today's video I will be showing you how to feed in braids. The two popular way we do so in Nigeria, which is the Ghana weave and the normal feed in braids. So I'm going to show you by working on this small portion of our hair. So we'll be using this unstretched natural hair, and we're going to make sure that we do it in such a way that you are just going to see the main process of the hair. I'm not going to make everything, I'm just going to show you how to do them. Okay, so I'm just going to part our hair real quick, and then I'm just going to smoothen the parts and make sure that I am able to show you the details. Just in case you have any question concerning it, you can leave a comment below and I will make a more detailed video for you later. Okay, so just taking out the part that we're going to be working with. As I said before, this is an unstretched hair, but it has been washed and duly applied with moisturizer. And then we're just going to start. As you can see, our hair is natural and it is in its shrunken state, so we're going to do a little stretching with our hands before we begin, and then comb it out. And then we're going to make sure we're extra gentle with our hair because we don't want to give her any more headache than necessary. So just from top to bottom, and then when we are done we can begin our braiding process. So for the first one I'll be showing you is what we call Ghana weaving in Nigeria. So we start by beginning with our hair, but most hairdressers, they just begin with the attachment they're going to use. So after beginning with our hair, I'm going to add the extra braid, but this time around I'm not going to take everything inside. I'm just going to take them around like the way you just saw now. So I'm going to show you again though. So what I did was I added to the front, and then I took it to the right and the other one to the left, just on top of it, not to the right again. Then I continue this way. This method of braiding, it's going to leave a visible feeding at the top. Yes, a visible feeding at the top. It has its own fashion style. So when you make hair with this, it is very beautiful, very nice, although most persons prefer the other invisible feeding, which I'm going to show you later in this video. So by adding to this, adding to the left and to the right at the same time, is going to leave that extra knot at the top. So let's continue like this, and then I'll show you when we are done. So if you're enjoying the video so far, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It motivates me to make more videos like this. Thank you very much. So let's get back to the video. Okay, we are done. So this is what I'm showing you. This is what I was telling you about. So it is another popular way of making braids. As you can see, the strands at the top, they are all visible at the top, unlike the other method. So that is actually quite nice if you look at it from this angle. Imagine being made at the front or throughout the hair. Is going to be pretty nice. Then I'm going to show you the other ones, the invisible feeding method, or the popular one we know of everywhere, I think. So for this one, let me zoom in closer. So for this one, we are going to start with our hair. You always start with the hair. So what we do is we gently take the hair, and then we braid it like once or twice, and then we begin adding the attachment or the weaves. And then what we do is we add it from the top to the right, and then while adding it to the right, we're going to make sure, okay, hold on, let me arrange it. Okay, then we add it to the right, and then we take our hair, just our hair, and then we braid it down. Okay, making sure that the other part of the attachment is at the top of our hair, so that when we have transferred it to the other side, then as you can see, it's still at the top of our hair. Then we're just going to continue and bring it back just the normal way that we do our weaving. So we're just going to continue conrolling it, and then we bring the one at the top and take it again to the right. Okay, and then we continue braiding. Once we braid it normal, then we add another attachment to it, just in the same method. This time we're not taking it to the right and to the left, rather we're taking both of them to the right consecutively. So I've taken one to the right, leaving the other at the top of our hair. Then we braid, and after braiding once, we bring the one at the top and add it again to the right, just in that manner. Okay, so let's go over it one more time. Okay, so once we've braided normal, we bring another attachment, we add it to the top of our head towards the right side, leaving one at the top. Then we braid normal, and then we bring the other one that's at the top of our hair and take it again to the right, and then we continue braiding. So let's go. Give it a try, guys, and let me know what you think about it. And for the first method I showed you, although it's not very popular, but it's also a very nice style. And as I said, it's popular here in Nigeria, so it's being used in most parts of the country. And also, one thing to note is that when making feedings like this, you begin with very tiny attachments or weaves, and then you begin to add as you go along. So as you get deeper into the hair, you get to increase the size of the attachment that you add to it, just to add more volume to your hair. And then you can continue braiding. Or if you don't want to add more or increase the size, you can add more frequently instead, and that would also increase the volume. Okay, so now that we are done with these, let's see the difference between the two of them. So I'm going to zoom in closer, and as you can see, the normal feeding is more neater and um, more better, I would say. And then that is the other one. The first one we made, the Ghana weaves. That one is more, makes it look more fuller and more, different, unique in its own way. So not totally bad, but just a different type of hairstyle. So you can give it a try and let me know what you think about it. So these two methods can equally be applied to making knotless braids, or the braids with knot, or box braids as we call it. So what we do is, it's actually the same method, but the only difference is that one is in cornrow and this is in, just one braid. So what we do is, just in the same method, we just add and we feed in the extra that we want to add to it, and just add at the top and at the left and at the right. So when we add to both sides, it's also good, but it's not as neat. So I would recommend using the normal method, that is the normal invisible method of adding your feedings, and not use the other method, that is the Ghana way, because it's more neater when you do the normal feeding, invisible feeding. So let me know what you think about it, and if you do like to see content like this, don't hesitate to let me know in the comment section below. And if you find this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, love you.